Today we will explore important MCQs of organic chemistry, which will assist you in preparing for the Scientific Assistant exam. Please subscribe to our Science Facts channel for more educational content. Starting off with our first question, what type of reaction occurs when an alkane reacts with halogens in the presence of light? Here are your options. A. Addition. B. Substitution. C. Elimination. D. Redox. The correct answer is B. Substitution. When an alkane reacts with halogens in the presence of light, a substitution reaction occurs. This specific type of substitution reaction is known as halogenation. Moving on to the second question, which of the following compounds is an alkene? A. Ethane. B. Propane. C. Ethylene. D. Butane. Correct answer C. Ethylene. Alkenes are characterized by at least one double bond between carbon atoms, which ethylene prominently features. Our third question involves bonding. What type of hybridization occurs in the carbon atoms of ethyne, acetylene? A. sp. B. sp2. C. sp3. D. dsp2. The correct answer here is A. sp. In ethyne, carbon atoms are sp hybridized, forming a triple bond between them. Next we ask, which functional group is present in CH3CH2H, commonly known as ethanol? A. COOH. B. OH. C. CHOD. CO. The correct option is B. OH. The hydroxyl group, OH, is the defining feature of alcohols like ethanol. Question 5. What is the IUPAC name of CH2OH? A. Methanol. B. Ethanol. C. Propanol. D. Butanol. Correctly, it's B. Ethanol. The structure CH3CH2OH corresponds to ethanol, a common alcohol. For our sixth question, which of the following is an example of an aromatic compound? A. Cyclohexane. B. Benzene. C. Ethene. D. Butane. The answer is B. Benzene. Benzene is a classic aromatic compound with a ring structure and delocalized pi electrons. Seventh question, which reagent is used in the test for the presence of aldehydes? A. Tollen's reagent. B. Failing solution. C. Bromine water. D. Both A and B. The answer here is D. Both A and B. Tollen's and failing solutions are used to detect aldehydes through different chemical reactions. Lastly, what is the product of the complete combustion of an alkane? A. CO and H2O. B. CO2 and H2O. C. C and H2O. D. CO and H2. The correct answer is B. CO2 and H2O. Complete combustion of alkanes produces carbon dioxide and water as the final products. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more educational content and feel free to comment below with any questions or topics you would like to see covered in future videos.